Welcome. This is lesson 7.1, day 2, about credit cards and charge accounts. You will need a pencil, calculator, and chapter 7 notes for this video. Please get those items. This is going to be a refresher from yesterday, or from the day 1. So this is the formula, and you need to rewrite it on the bottom of, you need to rewrite it on your notes so you have it. Now remember, a couple things I want to remind you about is if you want to put subtract payments, subtract credits, and remember the credits are returns. So if you return something or bring something back to the store or get a refund, or if you want to think of it as a refund, that would also be what credits are. So just understanding, previous balance is what you had that you didn't pay off. Finance charge is going to be your interest. New purchase is new things you bought, right? Then you're going to subtract any payments that you made on your account, and then you're going to subtract any credits. If you add these two together, they're all subtract. But like I said in the other video, if you want to go ahead and rewrite it like this, I feel like that might be easier. Today we're going to do more word problems. And I'm going to show you a few strategies. And if you have a strategy and you'd like to share that with me, that would be great. Alice Nako's monthly credit card statement has a previous balance of $307.85. It shows Alice's $40 payment. This month, new purchases were $950 and $41.75. The account posted a $23.75 credit and a finance charge of $462. So as you notice, there's lots of nothing is in the same order as you had it before. So one strategy would be to circle the things that go together. Previous balance is $307.85. Okay, and that's what my formula started with. Then my formula says to add new purchases. So you could even use different highlighters if you wanted to do this, or whatever will help you. It says new purchases right here of $950 and $41.75. So I'm going to do $950 plus $41.75. Then on my formula it says I am going to add finance charge. Ooh, I forgot the finance charge. So finance charge is down here. So like you could match the words, if you're not a strong reader, to match that up, is $462. But I'm going to subtract the payments and subtract the credits. So the payment, and I'm going to change my color on this. The payment is here, and a credit is here. So I'm going to subtract 40, and I'm subtract 23.75. If I do that correctly, I should get $299.97. Okay, so I want you to do 11 and 12. I know it's a little bit difficult because you can't highlight, but maybe you write them down in order, or you put everything you add in one column, things you subtract in another column. The best way for you to do that, and then unpause the video, and then I'm going to work the other two. So okay, so let's look at number 11. The previous monthly balance on Barney Lamont's charge card is $144.79. My formula says I'm going to add the finance charge. So even on your paper, you could cross out the things. Add the finance charge, payment, charges, no finance charge, so I don't have to worry about that. Then it says I'm going to add new purchases. So these are the charges, our new purchases. So I'm going to add 125, and I'm going to add 22 and 3365. So even you could do that, and I'm going to take this and this and this and cross them out, no finance charge. And I just have one number left that happens to be a payment. So even if you added this all up and got your total, you could do that. Or you could, oops, hit the wrong button. Or you could subtract the 144.79. Now when you are adding and subtracting all of these numbers, sometimes I would always do it twice, just to make sure you're right. And then for the last one, you should have gotten 182.09. Okay, and then if we go on number 12, not sure if I have the answer for number 12, but I can surely write it out. Statement for her credit card shows a previous balance of $529.78. A payment, a finance charge. Okay, so I add the finance charge. I add the credits. Oops, nope, I do not add credits. I add new purchases. So I add $277.32, and I add $38.20. I could get my total there. Take the total. I'm going to subtract my payment of $85, and I'm going to subtract my credit of $38.20, and then I would get my answer. And Ms. Dahlstrom can check with you on that answer. So one thing to really remember, these credits are going to be returns, okay? And these could also be charges. So if you want to add that to that, just so you know the wording, it might not say new purchases, it might be charges like it did here, okay? So you can go ahead and do the practice and ask if you have any questions. Have a good day.